Hi, my name is Yuriy Kolesnichenko. I'm a sonologist from Moscow, Russia, and this is a lecture about neurosonography, sonography of the brain in children. The acoustic window for the pediatric neurosonography is a large fontanelle or anterior fontanelle, which is located on the top of the head. Standard measurements include measurement of lateral ventricles and hemispheres, which can be single ventricular width, combined ventricular width, and ventricular depth, and hemisphere width. All of this measurement made it in transverse view. Also, we use the sagittal view to analyze the anatomical structure of the brain. Also, in a zoom mode, we analyze the subconvexital space, subarachnoid or subdural space. And in the case of dilatation, we measure the subconvexital space. There is several measurements, name it as sinocortical width, craniocortical width, and interhemispheric fissure width. The color flow mode in such cases is very helpful because it helps to differentiate subarachnoid and subdural hemorrhage. In cases of subarachnoid hemorrhage, we see the vessels in the subarachnoid space, and there is no vessels in the subdural space. It is recommended to use high-frequency linear probe to analyze subconvexital space, and sometimes we can see clear linear interface like membrane, which is a border between subarachnoid and subdural spaces. In the past century, the Dopplerography of the brain vessels not included in the routine neurosonography, but right now it's recommended to routinely measure the resistive index in anterior cerebral artery and peak systolic velocity in the vena galena. These measurements performed in the sagittal view. And that's all. Thanks for your attention.